Good morning everyone, especially to you, Engineer Raymond Blase. I'm Nika Grita and today I will be presenting my research journal review entitled The Performance Evaluation of Various Clean Minerals for Use as a Liner in Sanitary Landfill. Imagine an environment in which the waste that we produce is safely maintained, not only for the present, but also for the future generations to come. As you may already be mindful, one of the most significant components in current waste management system today is sanitary landfill. Nowadays, we need a greater need for effective and environmentally friendly waste disposal techniques as urban population increases and society's waste production increases. As the garbage waste production rises, there is also a huge amount of disease that we can experience. That's why an effective sanitary landfill is important. Sanitary landfills are vital for the proper handling of solid waste from municipalities while protecting the environment and the health of the public. They also need effective liner system to keep nearby soil and groundwater clean. Liners are one of the most important components of a sanitary landfill because they keep leachate from leaking into the groundwater. Sanitary landfills are essentials to current sustainability and garbage management. Through the recovery of energy and recycling, they improve sustainability, minimize pollution, protect public health, and offer a safe, regulated way of disposing of trash. In addition, they assist in transforming the post-garbage areas into beneficial communities areas through the reclamation of land. By serving as a barrier between the waste and the environment, a landfill liner keeps harmful materials, especially leachate, from contaminating the groundwater, soil, habitat in the area. These liners need to be permanent, impermeable, and able to handle the range of chemicals present in the waste. Among of all the materials that are accessible, clay minerals have become an effective and affordable choice for landfill liners. Given their abundance and weak permeability, clay minerals were originally believed to be effective liners for landfills to remain sustainable for the environment. Clay minerals must be capable of stopping leachate, migration, and groundwater contamination. The beneficial effects of clay minerals are various clay of minerals, including the bentonite, kaolinite, montmorillonite, illite, as barriers for leachate contaminant will be evaluated in this study. In order to identify the materials that provide the most reliable performance in landfill liner applications, my research aims to evaluate the hydraulic efficiency, durability, and environmental suitability of these clay minerals. By enhancing liner materials for long-term waste contaminant, this study eventually seeks to enhance landfill designs and lessen the negative waste environmental factors or effects. Additionally, the study deals with the suitability of specific clay minerals for various landfill conditions and offers suggestions to improve liner performance and design. According to the ENR Administrative Order No. 2001 Series 34, implementing rules and regulations of RA 9003, 9003 is about solid waste management, and it is stated that sanitary landfill shall refer to a waste disposal site that is designed, constructed, and maintained in a manner that exerts engineering control over significant potential environmental impacts arising from the development and operation of the facility. The purpose of sanitary landfill is to handle and limit the municipal solid waste or tinatawag na MSW in a way that has a minimal and adverse impact on the environment as possible. When it comes naman sa landfill liners, ang kanya namang purpose ng landfill liners is to serve as drainage and create a barrier between the waste and the environment. The leachate to structures for collection and treatment. This is made to stop the uncontrolled discharge of leachate into the surroundings. The liner system, which serve as a barrier to stop leachate, a hazardous liquid created by the decomposition of waste, from leaking into the surrounding environment, is an essential part of landfill development. One of the unique properties of clay minerals is their ability to absorb and exchange ions, which make them important for various industrial and environmental applications. For example, they are used as absorbents for removing contaminants from water. Since clay minerals have high capacity for cation exchange, for permeability and chemical properties or stable chemical properties, they have long been considered essential parts of landfill liner system. However, depending on their physical properties and mineralogical, numerous clay minerals may function quite differently as landfill liners. The efficient use of clay minerals in geological and environmental engineering applications, such as in landfill liner system, was extensively investigated in earlier studies. Several clay minerals, including kaolinite, montmorillonite, illite, and bentonite, are commonly considered for landfill liner applications due to their unique properties. Kaolin, also known as kaolinite, is a soft white naturally occurring clay minerals that primarily consist of the minerals kaolinite, along with varying amounts of other minerals like muscovite, quartz, feldspar, and amethyst. It is extensively used in various industrial applications such as ceramics, paints, cosmetics, and agricultural due to their desirable properties, including chemical inertness, absorbency, and non-swelling capabilities. Kaolinite is used as a liner in sanitary landfill because of its low potential for swelling and high cation exchange capacity, or tinatawag na CEC. Kaolinite exhibits excellent chemical stability. Although it has a greater permeability than bentonite, kaolinite, a non-swelling clay mineral, has remarkable chemical stability. In addition, kaolinite is widely affordable and reasonable price when compared to synthetic liners. In contrast with cementite clay, kaolinite exhibit modest swelling and expanding behavior with changes in moisture contents, making it a cheaper option for use in landfill operations, especially in areas where kaolinite-rich soils are naturally available. In comparison with cementite clay, kaolinite exhibit fewer swelling and shrinking behavior, with variations in moisture content causing it to be more stable under a variety of environmental conditions, a significant advantage in maintaining the integrity of landfill liners. It additionally improves its stability under a variety of environmental circumstances, which is essential for protecting landfill liners' integrity. The next one is the bentonite. It is a type of clay that is composed primarily of the mineral montmorillonite. It is highly absorbent clay that has many uses in various industries such as in cosmetics and constructions. It also has many applications such as in the treatment of wastewater, the purification of vegetable oils. It is a versatile and useful material that has many important industrial and commercial uses. Mostly made up of montmorillonite, this increasing clay minerals is well known for its exceptional capacity to reduce hydraulic resistance and for its ability to close itself when hydrated. Bentonite improves the linear system mechanical resilience by lowering the possibility of contraction or breakdown under the weight of the waste. Bentonite can still dehydrated and expand even in dry conditions. This feature guarantees the linear continuous functionality in the face of varying moisture levels, which is crucial. While illite is a common constituent of sedimentary rock, such as shale, can also be found in soils and weathered rocks. Illite is composed of tiny flat particles or plates that are less than 2 microns in size, which give it a characteristic small feel and a silvery appearance. Its chemical composition is generally similar to that of other clay minerals, consisting mainly of alumina, silica, and water, but may also contain small amounts of other elements such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. Illite is used in a variety of applications, including as a drilling additive in soil and gas exploration, as a pillar in paper and paint, and as a soil container in agriculture. Also, illite is an intermediate clay minerals, provides moderate permeability and chemical stability through the combined characteristics of swelling and non-swelling clays. Illite is less effective than bentonite in terms of swelling and permeability, although it has certain advantages or characteristics. Illite is often mixed with different clays or utilized as a secondary layer in a composite linear system to improve its effectiveness. The next one is the montmorillonite. It has a large capacity for swelling, which can improve the liner system sealing properties. It is a type of mineral with a permanent structural negative change that requires external cations to balance. It plays a significant role in migration and transformation of pollutants in photocatalytic degradation process due to its exchangeable cations and unique structural properties. In composite liner system, montmorillonite and geomembranes are often combined, utilizing the sealing and absorption characteristics of montmorillonite. This combination improves the liner's mechanical strength while meeting the long-term needs of landfill containment system. Montmorillonite sustained its qualities throughout the time. A crucial engineering component of a sanitary landfill is a liner system, which protect leachate, a liquid created during waste decomposition, from contaminating nearby soil and groundwater. These systems serve as essential parts for preserving for the environment because they are made to offer an impermeable barrier. Liner systems are essential parts of current planning a landfill with the objective of minimizing leachate, migration, and maintaining the ecosystem and aquifers within it. Clay minerals, which exhibit poor permeability by nature and are often employed in liner system due to their chemical stability to offer an effective barrier against leachate migration. In regards to protecting the environment, it keeps the soil and groundwater from becoming contaminated, maintaining communities and public health, limiting the release of gases, which lowers air pollution, and an efficient liner system ensures that a landfill continues to be safe and functional for decades after it has been abandoned. One major danger associated with leachate is that it can contaminate water on the surface, groundwater, and soil if neglected. Landfills use a variety of contaminant and treatment technologies that minimize the risk concerned with leachate and stop it from migrating into the surrounding environment. The first one is the permeability test. Permeability tests assess the clay's efficiency for preventing pollutants and leachate from flowing. Some of the greatest environmental challenges are how to dispose of industrial and municipal waste. Although sanitary landfills remain a common means to dispose of garbage, their efficacy depends on steps taken to keep the soil and groundwater clean. The ability to penetrate several clay minerals, including kaolinite, illite, and bentonite, can be affected by their distinct properties. For certain landfill conditions such as type of garbage, local climate, and geological considerations, permeability tests enable engineers to determine the best kind of clay. Without this test, unsafe substances could be used, producing a risk to the natural world and prompting expensive removal efforts. The next one is the chemical compatibility test. Tests for chemical compatibility are essential to determine how clay reacts with the leachate and the synthetic liner. Chemical compatibility examines determining if certain clay minerals maintain their restricted qualities after extended contact and how they react to leachate. The garbage dump liner should continue to function for many years. The properties of clay minerals might change with the time due to extended chemical exposure, leading to problems including weakness in structure or cracking and a loss of confining efficiency. Chemical compatibility analysis reduce this risk by providing that the specified clay minerals is chemically resilient and efficient under expected landfill conditions. It is used XRD or tinatawag na X-ray diffraction and IC ion chromatography techniques. The last test is the mechanical properties test. It is important to assess how clay reacts to different physical stressors in order to make sure the liner will keep functioning and retain its integrity throughout the landfills. These tests assure the stability, life expectancy, and functioning of the liner over its entire existence by evaluating the clay's ability to resist physical pressures. The result of the experiment indicate notable variations in how effectively different clay minerals work as liners in landfills that are safe. The evaluation of different properties of clay minerals used as liners in sanitary landfill is important in identifying appropriate assets according to site-specific conditions and legal qualifications. Kaolinite and bentonite provide distinct advantages and disadvantages regarding permeability, mechanical qualities, and chemical compatibility. Higher Montmorillonite levels clay exhibit better swelling, features that can improve their ability to seal and stop contaminant from migrating. The result of this study indicate that bentonite is a highly effective sanitary landfill liner materials because bentonite is highly utilized in geosynthetic clay liners where it is mixed with synthetic materials like geomembranes due to its limited permeability, expanding capacity, and chemical resistance. In addition to minimizing the dangers of leachate migration, sanitary landfills liners contribute to better both public and the environment. By eliminating contamination, preserving groundwater, and assisting with reclamation projects for future beneficial land use, they guarantee sustainable management of waste.